What's up everybody? In today's video I am clear browning this front bumper on this Supra. So if that's something you're interested in seeing, stay tuned. As you can see, I'm pretty squished in here, but I fit. I'll make it work. So this thing goes all the way around, and then there's like this little thin piece that goes way under here, you know, you can't see it in the frame. But those of you who have done this bumper know that, or own this car know that. So yeah, the steamer's coming in handy. Definitely makes this install way easier. Now that I have a new car, I can hold more, so I'll probably bring this with me on more jobs. Wow, this kit fit really good. Really surprised. Well, not really. It's a Xpel kit. It fits really, really good. Really happy with it. Yeah, it's going on really good. So the front bumper, this part right here, this bubble, was the hardest part, and I got it done thanks to the steamer. So yeah, yeah, day's going really good. That's a wrap. Alright, that was a fun install. That one took like 3 hours, honestly. If you ever done a Supra bumper install, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you did it, if you used a bulk or a pattern. I appreciate it. Just always curious to see how people do their thing. Yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Would greatly appreciate it. Yeah, if you have any questions about my install or anything that I'm using, leave a comment down below. I usually try to answer those when I can. But with that being said, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.